Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Glamour Jewelry Box. With this monthly subscription, it features 3 carefully curated pieces of jewelry each month. And if you'd like to try it, they gave me a promo code that I'll put below. You get 10% off your first order. Inside it looks like we have a product card. Spring is here and this month's jewelry set is perfect to celebrate the season. We have retail prices on here. It says this month is valued at $75, which is really cool. So I'm going to set that aside so we could take a look at the jewelry. So it's in this really cute little bag with their logo on it. Oh, that's pretty. So this is the first piece that I'm pulling out. I think this is the rose gold bracelet. Retail value is $25. That is very pretty and sparkly. Oh, I like that too. So it's adjustable. You could just gently pull on those to put it on and then tighten it up. Very nice. So here's what that looks like on. A lot of times I don't wear bracelets because they're kind of hard to get on when you're only doing it with one hand, but this was actually super easy and you could tell it's easy to take off too. So very pretty. Next up, we have the necklace. So according to the card, it says it's a rose gold knot lariat necklace. Hopefully I said that correctly. Oh, okay, it's one of those. So it has like the big knot there, and then it dangles. That's very pretty as well. I like that we kind of have a matching theme here. And that too is adjustable. So you make it a little bit longer if you'd like. And that goes with a lot, so I like those kind of necklaces. The last thing in here should be the hoop earrings. And those are simple, but all this stuff's really elegant. Very nice. Let me show you the product card once again. Close-up view. So the necklace retails for $26. Perfect piece for spring. Pairs perfectly with a simple crew neck t-shirt or deep v-neck. Then we have the rose gold teardrop hoop earrings that retail for $24. Modern take on the classic hoop earrings. And then the rose gold bracelet retails for $25. And it's adjustable. And little drips of rows of diamonds. Very pretty. I think perhaps my favorite is the bracelet. It's really lovely. So if you guys would like to sign up and get a subscription, I will put a link below in that promo code. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.